Mommy. Kenna, she's gonna cut your hair. Good job, Papa. You won't have to cut it out of your eyes anymore. No, you guys have all the keys. Roll down the window yet, okay? Where's the cow?
Where's the cow?
I don't know.
Where'd the cow go?
I don't see him. Mommy, where are you going? Hmm? Where are you going? Huh? Oh, okay. Not in your face. Careful, careful.
Not use that white light and just get more of these.
Yeah.
They're just nicer.
Here he comes with the other light.
Brand new, baby.
It looks so good.
It's a really nice light. With a black ring and an inner gold accent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks really nice.
Now we just need some glass.
Yeah, agreed. Cooking some soup?
No, I just took it out.
Oh, you just took it out? Is it still hot?
No.
Oh.
Don't shock yourself. Don't shock yourself. Don't shock yourself. Don't shock yourself. Don't shock yourself.
You got it, right, Cameron?
Uh-huh.
Daddy's got it? Can you close the toilet, Cameron, please?
Yeah.
Okay. This guy.
I
There should be a little lip
Okay,
on.
that's okay.
Let's see here. Let's give her a little
She's on the
test.
phone? You on the phone, Mama?
Go ahead. Give it a little test.
Oh, okay.
Let's switch on. Here we go.
Here.
Boom.
Ooh, that one's bright, but you can adjust that one, right?
This one is adjustable.
Ooh, I like
do
that
this
one.
one?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay.
The warmer, the better.
Nice. Look at that. This was beautiful.
Yeah, this one looks really nice. That one was easier, huh?
Did somebody grab my screwdriver?
Oh, Camden, it's on the floor. Camden, can you grab
Grab my
Daddy?
screwdriver or something?
Oh, yep.
Thank you, baby. Oh, careful.
Here you go.
Alright, let me turn this off for a second. Alright. Hold on, buddy. I need to do it all for her.